guys, my name is James from GigaPress.net. You might have seen a "not available in your country" message when trying to sign up for SiteGround. But don't worry, in this video, I'll share with you the best alternatives to SiteGround that you can consider. Let's get started. If you're located in a location where SiteGround is unavailable, you can't purchase hosting from them. In this case, you might explore other high-quality hosting services outside of SiteGround's limited service regions. So here are the 3 best hosting alternatives. First on the list is none other than GigaPress. Go to gigapress.net/WordPress-hosting or just click the link in the description below. GigaPress offers lightning-fast hosting, which is essential for delivering a great user experience. Their servers are optimized for speed, ensuring that your website loads quickly. They offer automatic SSL certificate deployment, ensuring that your website is secure and trusted. Plus, they perform daily backups, so you can rest assured that your data is safe. They use energy-efficient data centers, making them an eco-friendly choice for hosting your website. GigaPress offers affordable hosting plans priced for everyone. They have a starter plan, the best option for personal use and small projects, which includes 1 website, free SSL for the first year, and up to 10 gigabytes of web space. For $11.95, now it's only $2.95 per month for the first year. Next is the Advanced plan. It supports 3 websites, offers free SSL, up to 40 gigabytes of web space, and additional features like website backups and malware scanning. And from $29.99, now it's only $5.49 per month. For busy websites or online stores, I recommend you choose the Small Business plan. It includes the same features as the Advanced plan, plus an exclusive store theme, analytics, unlimited products, and secure online payments. Originally priced at $26.99, now it's only $9.95 per month. So, if you're looking for reliable WordPress hosting, GigaPress is definitely worth considering. Next on our list is A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting has quickly become one of the best hosting providers. Here's why. Number 1 is the performance. A2 Hosting claims up to 20 times faster performance than the competition. That's lightning speed for your website. Next is affordability. A2 Hosting offers stellar performance at an affordable price point. You can click the link in the description below to check out A2 Hosting's plans. Number 3, customer support. A2's customer support is top-notch, and they even provide free single-site migrations if needed. Lastly, availability. Unlike SiteGround, A2 Hosting is available in more locations globally. So, if you're looking for a reliable alternative, A2 Hosting is one of the best choices. Before we go to the next hosting providers, if you find this video helpful, please consider a like and subscribe to our channel. Lastly, let's talk about Kinsta. Kinsta specializes in managed WordPress hosting, which means they handle all the technical aspects of hosting your WordPress site. You can focus on creating content and growing your business, while they take care of server management, security, and performance optimization. If you're looking for managed WordPress hosting for an important production site, Kinsta is a top choice. Like SiteGround, Kinsta hosts your site on the Google Cloud platform, which ensures high-performance WordPress hosting. Kinsta also prioritizes security, monitoring your site for downtime, DDoS attacks, malware, and more. They even offer a hack fix guarantee, meaning that if your website is hacked, they will fix it for you immediately at no extra cost. You can explore their hosting plans by clicking the link in the description below. So, there you have it. When SiteGround isn't an option, consider GigaPress, A2 Hosting, or Kinsta. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.